That's like you just got lucky when you got your plumber's license. If you like did that and go, what's wrong?
Is that a tub with a lav hose?
That's a tub with a widespread faucet on it. It's a tub. You're going to get homeowners buy all kinds of shit that you're not buying, and they're going to go, hey, I want you to put this on my tub. And some of you are going to do it like this plumber did it, and we're right dead immersed in the section of the code right now that I go in there and go, do you have your license on you? Yeah, like your fingers will get crushed as that opens or closes. Not sure about that one. I see something like this, I just walk out. I'm like, no. You. So the spout, the outlet of the spout is below the flood level rim. If this maybe had been up here, it possibly could have had the distance between the flood level rim and the end of the spout, but it did not. And that's why you all are going to have to ask questions. Even right now, you're all in the field. Most of you should be in the field somehow, some way, at some point, walking through finishes in residential buildings and condominium complexes. You look what people do and you go, oh. It's like, how do you not know when something's right, when something's wrong? These are the things as a professional, as a licensee, you got to know. These are like basic 101 pieces of plumbing. This is why there is plumbers, actually. So that is a definite fail. All day, all night. 365 days a year.